Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra if you're new, and today I'm going to be doing some jumbo twists. So my hair has already been sectioned off. My mom did my parts for me because I am not good at doing that. And I just told her to do medium to large sections since I am doing jumbo twists. I don't want a whole lot of twists. I'm getting ready to go to the beach next week, and so I just wanted a nice lightweight style that I could wear for a few weeks. So for these twists, I'm using the 3X Expressions braiding hair. This hair is already pre-stretched, so I didn't have to worry about that. And I got it in 52 inches because I wanted it to be nice and long. And for my styler, I'm using the Shein in Jam Gel. I've actually never used this before, but I always see girls use it on videos, so I thought I would give it a try. It smells really, really good, and it has like a nice consistency to it. And I'm also going to use this little edge brush just to make sure my hair is smooth. So now I'm just going to put my hair up. I'm just going to start on the very back and do the first 3 twists. So now I'm just taking out the hair. This hair is really nice. It's straight, but it still has some nice texture to it. And then it tapers at the bottom. So I actually did the first twist off camera. I just wanted to practice a bit to make sure that I knew what I was doing. But now I'm starting on the next twist, and I'm just adding the Shein in Jam Gel to the roots. And I also applied it to the rest of my hair too, just to kind of help my natural hair stick to the braiding hair because I didn't want it to be sticking out or anything like that. And then I just smooth down my roots with the edge brush. So I used the rubber band method, and with this method you first just split your hair in half, and then you lay the braiding hair in the middle, and then you just tie the rubber band around your natural hair to lock the synthetic hair in. So you definitely want to make sure that you are wrapping the rubber band several times. I would say at least 6 or 7 times, because you need your hair to be nice and tight. And if you don't, then your hair will actually start to slip out from the roots, which is not cute. And then all you have to do after that is just twist your hair all the way down. You want to make sure that you're twisting pretty tightly so that they will actually stay. And you also want to make sure that you are twisting all the way to the ends. You can tie a knot at the end if you want, or use boiling water to help seal it, but I just made sure that I was twisting all the way to the end. And then I just continued this same process for the rest of the twists. Once I got to the front of my hair, I started adding in the True Edge booster just to make sure that my edges were nice and neat. Now I am all done with the twists. I ended up with 27 jumbo twists, which I feel like is a nice amount. My hair looks nice and full, but it's not heavy or anything like that. And now I'm just going in and cleaning up the ends, getting rid of any flyaways. And I'm also adding my Kalita Naturals hair oil to my scalp. This is going to keep my scalp from feeling dry and itchy. And then I'm just massaging that in. And lastly, I'm just finishing off this style with some styling mousse. This is also going to help tame some of the frizz and flyaways from my hair. I also added some mousse to my ends just to help seal them so that they wouldn't come loose. I absolutely love these twists. They're just so pretty and effortless. They're perfect for the summer, perfect for the beach, and I love how long they are. I'm just like obsessed with them. I'm just kind of playing around with different styles I can do. I can flip it over to the side. I can put some up. It's just very versatile, so I'm looking forward to playing around with it. And then we're going to see what style I decide to do tomorrow. So I decided to just leave them down because I think it looks really cute like this. And I put on some makeup and this cute outfit. And I just love the way that these twists look like. It's everything. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the clique because we are almost at 1,000 subbies and I would love for you to join the family. My next video is going to be on how I style these twists, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see y'all next Friday in that video.